Hello, in this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on UNIHERTZ Tank 3. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. Now select this application and click install. Now you can click open. And then click got it and click this button to skip introduction, then click not now and click open permissions. Now click on AI assistant and click here to allow this app to display over other apps, then click back and click back again, and now you can click start, and as you can see here is your ChatGPT widget and you can open him and tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, just drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.